Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I will show you how to see open snaps again on Snapchat. So first, go to Snapchat on the home page. At the top of the right corner, click Setting. Then at the bottom, the second to the last, click My Data. Wait it for a second. And next, sign in to Snapchat. Type your username or email. After that, click Verify. Then, pick the puzzles. Click Next and back to the profile. And that's it. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.